Today, I'm going to show you how I clean my Earth Runner sandals. I love these things, and I recently purchased the Earth Runner Sandal Spa Kit. It comes with a nice scrub brush, some sandal elixir, and a nozzle for your hose to give it a good scrub down. Make sure your hose is turned off, attach the nozzle, and then turn your hose on. Now you're going to use this nozzle like a pressure washer. Go ahead and spray off the sandals, just kind of methodically going back and forth, up and down, and across each sandal. The powerful nozzle is really going to help break a bunch of the debris loose. I like to use the spray on my sandals before I scrub them because I feel like the spray smells so good. So I just give it a little spritz and then I grab the scrub brush and get to scrubbing. Again, going in circles, up and down, back and forth, getting the whole surface area of the sandal. I like to use the spray nozzle one more time to clean off any of the debris that was broken loose from the scrub brush. Give your sandals the final spritz with the sandal spray. I really love this elixir spray. It has essential oils in it and it just has this really clean, fresh scent that I love. So I give it a spray and then I let it dry naturally in the sunshine. And here you can see how clean they came out. I've had these Earth Runners for about 2 years and I wear them all the time. They definitely needed to be cleaned and they definitely cleaned up using this process. Hey, have we met yet? My name's Sara and I'm the mom next door. I'm all about finding ways to live life better and sharing what I find and learn with all of you. I invite you to subscribe and join the village.